Good morning, kids, and welcome back to your math class. Good morning, kids, and welcome back to your math class. So, kids, today we will discuss about the subtraction of abacus. You know the abacus. You have studied the addition on abacus. Tens and ones place you have written. How many are there? That many bits you have drawn. So, today we will subtract. We will make a subtraction. Subtraction means minus. Okay, in yesterday's class you have studied subtracting by backward counting, subtracting on number line. You have studied this. So now what you are going to study? Subtraction on abacus. You are subtracting the abacus on abacus. So now just once I will explain this example. Whatever it is, just learn. So here look at this. Subtract 25 minus 14. Okay, these are the abacus dots given here. How we will subtract? Subtract first ones place. Okay, from 5. First this you have to draw on the abacus. First big number you have to draw on the abacus. Now 25 is the big number. Draw first 25. 2 tens and 5 ones. From that what you are subtracting? What you are subtracting? 14. You are subtracting 14. 4 ones you are subtracting. So cancel 4 ones and 1 10. So you will get the answer is 110 and 1 1. So what's that answer is 11. Now here look at this. Same it is. Tens and ones place. 25 minus 14. Answer is 11. Isn't it? So now same here we will do it. 57. 57. 5 ones bigger number. 57. 5 tens and 7 ones. That's are already drawn. What you are subtracting now? 32. 3 tens and 2 ones. Subtract always first ones only. 2 ones you subtract. 1, 2. And 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. So what it is remaining? You write. How many ones are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones are remaining. And how many tens are remaining? 1, 2. 2 tens are remaining. So answer is 25. Isn't it? If you want to make it correction, cross checking, you may get 57 minus 32. 7 minus 2, answer is 5. 5 minus 3, answer is 2. Isn't it? It's very easy. Now we will make it here. So kids, I will send the PDF of these worksheets. You all take a print and solve it and keep it with you. Whenever I will ask, you have to submit to a school. So keep it with you. 43 minus 12. First what it indicates? The bigger number. 43. 4 tens, 3 ones. From 4 tens, 3 ones, what you are minusing? 12. 1 10, 2 ones. 1 10 you minus. And 2 ones. Subtract 2 ones. 1, 2. And how many tens you are going to subtract? Only 1 10. So answer is 3, 1, 2, 3 and 1. So answer is 31. If you want to cross check, check here. 43 minus 12. 1, 3. 31. Same here. First it shows the bigger number on the abacus. You know the abacus, no? In last time we have solved the abacus. Now 65. You show first 65, the bigger number on the abacus. 65. 6 in tens place, 5 in ones place. So you are subtracting 51 now. 6 tens, 5 ones. From that you subtract 1 ones you subtract and 5 tens you subtract. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, here what it is remaining? 1 10 is remaining and 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones are remaining. 1 10, 4 1. So answer is 14. Now here Next one, 36. First we show the abacus, the bigger number on the abacus. What it is? 36. 36. We are showing the abacus 36. So 3 ones, 3 tens, 6 ones. From that, now you are going to subtract 11. 11 means 1 tens and 1 ones you are subtracting. So now, how we will subtract? 1 ones, 1 tens. What it is remaining? 2 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. What it is remaining? Now, here 98. First, you have to show the bigger number on the abacus. 9. 9 tens, 8 ones. So from that, what you are going to subtract? 72 from 98. From 98 you are going to subtract off 72. From 9 tens you have to subtract 7 tens. 8 ones, 2 ones. So now subtract 2 ones. 1, 2. Tens. From tens you have to subtract 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So what's its remaining here? 2 tens and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. 2 tens and 6 ones is remaining. Now here 71 minus 30. On abacus you have to write first the bigger number. Okay, bigger number 71. You have to represent 7 tens and 1 ones. Now you have to subtract 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. 3 tens and 0 ones. 0 means nothing. So what it is remaining? Now you can count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens and 1 is remaining. So answer is 41. If you want, you can also make it cross correction or cross checking. Now here 19. Okay, 19. In 19, first you have to represent tens place and also ones place. So in ones place, how many? What are here? 1 in tens place, 1 ones and 1 tens and 9 ones. From that, what you are going to subtract? 7 ones. 7 ones you are going to subtract. So make a minus of 7. Subtract 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now what it is remaining here? Only 1 tens is remaining. And here how many ones are remaining? 1 10 is remaining. How many ones are remaining? 1, 2. 2 ones are remaining. So now here 88. First I told you always what number you are going to represent on abacus, kids? You are going to represent the bigger number in abacus. So which is the bigger number now here? 88. So 8 tens, 8 ones. Subtract 62. 6 tens and 2 ones. Subtract 2 ones. 1, 2. 2 ones. And now how many tens you are going to subtract? 6. Making less. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now what it is remaining? 1, 2. 2 tens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. 6 ones are remaining and 2 tens are remaining. Now here in the next same here. 75. What's the number here, kids? 75. So 7 tenths, 5 ones, 7 tenths. From 7 tenths and 5 ones, what you are going to subtract? 2 ones, so 2 tenths and 1 ones. 1 ones you cancel. 2 tenths, 1, 2. Now count ones places. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones are remaining. How many tenths are remaining? Now count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tenths and 4 ones are remaining. Answer is 54. So now kids, I will explain you. First, always in ones on abacus you have to draw. On abacus you have to draw first a bigger number, tens and ones. Then after that you are going to subtract the smaller number. So you are going to make a cancel how many tens and how many ones. So kids, it's a very easy, and you take a Xerox of PDF and solve on it. It is very important for your. So kids, have a nice day. Take care. We will meet in our next class.